with this open heart I say, let us play. Let us remember that we are forever the ever foreverness. Let us find joy in the enjoyment that is. For we are the dance. We are riding the vibration of the miracle. And for the gatekeepers, the souls who have sold their soul to the Negatroid, we ask you to move aside. For this is our dream, the individuals of the collective, the ones who stand tall and bright and shine with an open heart. For we are forever riding the vibration of an ever-happening divine manifestation that is the miracle